it's hard to really appreciate with this temperature here. It's really not friendly weather at all. It's only about minus 25, minus 30, and with the wind chill maybe about minus 30. They say it's about a 3 to 5 minute frostbite warning if you've got any of your skin exposed. It's a real thing. Human flesh was not made for this type of temperature. So as you can see and hear, we're in a blizzard right now, and oh boy, yeah, that's quite cold. It's cold even to hold this tripod. Oh, come on, key. So tonight, just getting ready for, I think it's a service. They weren't really sure on how many people would be coming tonight. Likely it'll just be the leaders at the church tonight. Looking forward to that because they're amazing people, and we've had blizzard all day today, and what that means is, I haven't been able to, high school's closed today. I was able to have a very productive, very good meeting with one of the senior administrative officer at the Hamlet this morning, and talked about all kinds of things, and they're very excited about our building and what it means as far as leadership capabilities and development for Inuit in this community. But it meant that I wasn't able to get to the high school because it was closed. So tonight, going to meet with the elders, some of the leaders of the church. Just getting ready for that, and likely because of the weather, they're saying is going to clear up for tomorrow morning. I'll be flying to Rankin in that case, and then Winnipeg on Friday and home on Friday evening. So the thing about traveling in Nunavut is it's never just as simple as this is the day that I'd like to leave, and these are the days that I booked. This is when my schedule can allow for me to travel. It's never that simple. You can obviously you book the day that you arrive, and then you also book the return date. But that doesn't mean that is the case. Weather is very unpredictable. In Nauyet's case, there's only one airline, and in that airline, if they don't come, then there's no other airlines to switch to. But also here in Nauyet, the flight starts in Rankin, goes to Coral Harbor, and then comes here. And if the Coral Harbor is bad, then almost